A new bakery. It smells of warm bread and coffee. But Mila does not know what to order. What should she try? Write your guess in the comments in English. Today, you learn 3 polite questions for any cafe. Let's go inside with Mila. It is Saturday morning. Mila is walking on Green Street. She sees a new shop. The shop is a bakery.
Oh, a new bakery. It is open today.
The bakery has a soft, warm light. The windows are big. Mila can see bread and pastries inside. She is curious. She wants to try the new bakery.
I think I would like a coffee and maybe 1 pastry. I will go in.
Mila walks into the bakery. The bakery smells of warm bread and coffee. There is a long counter. Behind the counter, there is a kind woman with gray hair. Her name is Sienna. She is the owner.
Good morning. Welcome to our bakery.
Good morning. Thank you.
Mila looks at the counter. There are many pastries. There are croissants. There are small cakes. There are little buns with sugar on top. There is also coffee. Mila does not know all the words. She is a little shy. Today, Mila wants to ask for things at the bakery. She wants to use polite English. Here are some useful sentences. Number 1. Could I please have a coffee?
Could I please have a coffee?
Number 2. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Number 3. How much is it, please?
How much is it, please?
Good. Now, let us go back to the story. There is a small queue at the bakery. There are 2 people in front of Mila. The first person is a friendly older man with a gray beard. He wears a yellow cap. His name is Hugo. He turns to Mila and smiles.
Good morning. Are you new here? I have not seen you before.
Good morning. Yes, I am new. This is my first time in this bakery.
Oh, very nice. The bakery is new too. It opened last week. The pastries are very good.
Oh, really? Thank you. I do not know what to choose.
I always ask Sienna. She is very kind. She will recommend something for you.
Thank you. That is a good idea.
The queue moves. Hugo orders his bread and pays. He waves at Mila with a kind smile.
Have a nice day. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. You too.
Now, it is Mila's turn. Sienna smiles at her.
Hello again. What can I get for you?
Hello. Could I please have a coffee?
Of course. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Sienna prepares the coffee. The coffee smells very good. Mila looks at the pastries again. She still does not know what to choose. She remembers Hugo's idea. She asks Sienna for help.
Excuse me. What do you recommend?
Oh, that is a good question. Today, our croissants are very fresh. They are warm. I recommend a butter croissant. It is delicious with coffee.
A butter croissant. Yes, please. Could I please have one croissant?
Of course. One butter croissant. Anything else?
Yes. My friend Owen lives near me. I think I will take one for him, too. Could I please have 2 croissants?
2 butter croissants. Very good choice.
Sienna puts the croissants in a small paper bag. She is gentle with the pastries. The bag is warm. Mila feels happy.
How much is it, please?
That is 7 euros, please.
Here you are. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a lovely day and come back soon.
I will. Thank you again.
Mila walks out of the bakery. She is happy. She holds her coffee and the small, warm bag. She thinks about Hugo. She thinks about Sienna. People are kind in her new neighborhood.
That was a nice morning. I will go to the bakery again next Saturday.
Mila walks home with a soft smile. She will give 1 croissant to her friend Owen. The other one is for her. The croissant is delicious. The coffee is warm. Mila is calm and happy. Let us look at the story again. Mila went to a new bakery. She did not know what to choose. She asked Sienna for a recommendation. She said, "Could I please have a coffee?" She said, "What do you recommend?" She said, "How much is it, please?" Sienna recommended a butter croissant. Mila took 2, one for her, one for her friend. Polite English is useful. Now we will practice. Listen and repeat after me. Number 1. Could I please have a coffee? Number 2. What do you recommend?
Number 3. How much is it, please?
Number 4. The croissant is delicious. Number 5. Thank you. Have a nice day. Very good. You did well. Now, 3 small questions. Listen carefully and think. Question 1. You want a coffee at a bakery. What do you say? Think for a moment.
A good answer is, could I please have a coffee?
Question 2. You do not know what to choose. What do you say? Think for a moment.
A good answer is, what do you recommend?
Question 3. You want to know the price. What do you say? Think for a moment. A good answer is, how much is it, please?
Very good. You are learning well.
Today, you learned 3 polite questions for a bakery, a café, or a small shop. You learned the word recommend. You learned the word croissant. You learned the word delicious. Practice these sentences every day. Soon, you will use them with confidence. Thank you for listening to Storybridge English. If you liked this story, please subscribe to our channel for more slow English stories. See you next Saturday. Have a calm and happy week.